Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I just want to take a second and say thank you to a ton of our new subscribers. We have gotten a lot of new subscribers in the past few days, and I just want to say thank you very much. So in the past 2 weeks we've gained, well, here, let's just look in the past week. In the past week we've gotten 55 subscribers. So I just want to take a second to say thank you. Thanks for joining us. And you guys always like these right here. So I've got to show you this. This has blown me away. I will always admit that I have no idea how this algorithm works. I want to make Python videos, but this has come out of nowhere. And me and my younger son have looked at it. This video has shot up from just a mediocre video. It's a little over a year old. It has now been averaging 50 to 60 views a day, and just absolutely, here, let me go there. Just absolutely look at this, and then the watch time. So thank you guys for paying attention, looking at this, watching these, and here's the astronomical. Here's the past. There's the lifetime of the video. Just nothing going on, just kind of about normal, and then it just shoots up right here. How about we look at the past 28 days? Just completely normal. I think in the past, when this is filmed, in the 11 o'clock hour today, 7 views. So I just want to tell you guys thank you. The ones who are here, been here a long time, have contributed to this. So you guys like watching these videos. Saw some very nice comments, very gracious. I still don't. It's the videos that I almost don't make that you guys absolutely love. So that's why I make every single video that is an idea. I put it out there because it means something to somebody. That's why it's so important. If you have a question, ask that question, because somebody else has it and may not have the courage to ask it, or is uncomfortable, or it doesn't know how to word it. You asking it may help somebody else. So here, let's get back here. I think we can, that goes off the screen. But I just wanted to take a second, say thank you, and we're going to be jumping in and downloading Yahoo Finance next video and just having at it. I mean, 211 subscribers. At this pace, we'll be setting a lot of new records. 17,000 in 28 days. Just unbelievably thank you, and we'll just have at it and see where this adventure goes. So as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video, and if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.